In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Outlook calendar your desktop background for 2025. Having your schedule right on your desktop can be a real game changer, keeping you organized and making sure you never miss an important appointment. Let's dive into the process using a simple third-party application. First, you'll need to download and install a desktop application that can display your Outlook calendar. One popular choice for this is Deja Desktop. It's user-friendly and effective for what we want to achieve. Head over to the developer's website to find the installation file. Once you've downloaded it, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation on your computer. Make sure to accept any permissions or agreements that pop up during the process. With the application installed, the next step is to select the Outlook data feed. This basically means you'll be linking the application to your Outlook calendar so it knows what data to display. You might be prompted to log into your Outlook account during this process. Don't worry, this is just to allow the app to access your calendar data securely. After logging in, choose your desired calendar view. Most people prefer either the monthly or daily view. The choice is yours, and it really depends on how you like to visualize your tasks and appointments. Go with what feels most intuitive and helpful for your day-to-day life. Now, it's time to set the options so that your calendar background is always up to date. Look for settings within the application that allow you to configure automatic updates. This feature is invaluable as it ensures your desktop background reflects your latest schedule changes. Additionally, check that all your appointments are displaying correctly. Some applications offer customization options such as themes or color schemes, so take a moment to personalize it to your liking. Once you fine-tune the settings to your satisfaction, the final step is to apply these changes to set it as your desktop background. Typically, there will be a Set as Wallpaper button or an equivalent option within the application settings. Click on that, and voila! You should now see your Outlook calendar seamlessly integrated with your desktop. This means no more scrambling to check your schedule. It's all right there whenever you start up your computer, and there you have it. Having your Outlook calendar as your desktop background is a simple yet effective way to keep in sync with your schedule. It provides instant visibility of your plans and appointments each time you glance at your computer. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps streamline your workflow. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.